Hello everyone, welcome to this math problem where we are given an important clue. 30% of A. 30% of A is 18. So in this case, I would have to approach this as I will let A will be my 100%. So when they tell me 30% represents 18. How do we find A, which is 100%? Yes, I find 1% first. Yep, divide by 30. And after which, I can then find my 100%, which is 18 over 30 times 100. And this will give me a value of 60. And because I know 100% represents A, so therefore A equals to 60. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please feel free to click on the subscribe button. Mr. Round Tan here. Always happy to share with you how to solve math problems.